If you want to do this SCA album cover trend, open Google Gemini. Now click on Create Photo. Now after this, add a photo from gallery. And then add the prompt given below in the description. Now after pasting the prompt, click on Generate and wait for a few seconds until it generates the photo for you. So here's the generated photo. Now click on the photo and click on Save button given in the right side of your screen. Now you are ready to share. In the description I have provided the other prompt too, which is basically for boys but can be used for girls too. So use that too and check if you like the generated picture or not. So that's how you do this trend. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and share with your friends.